The best ways to save money in an uncertain economy. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the best ways to save money in an uncertain economy. Times of economic uncertainty can bring challenges, but with the right strategies, you can still build a strong financial foundation. Let's explore the top tips for saving money during uncertain times. Review and adjust your budget. Start by reviewing your monthly expenses and identifying areas where you can make adjustments. Look for non-essential expenses that can be temporarily eliminated or reduced. This might include dining out less frequently, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding ways to save on utilities. A well-planned budget will help you track your spending and identify potential areas for savings. Negotiate bills and expenses. Don't hesitate to negotiate bills and expenses. Contact your service providers, such as internet or cable companies, and explore if there are any available promotions or discounts. You can also negotiate your rent or mortgage payment, insurance premiums, or any other regular expenses. Even small reductions can add up to significant savings in the long run. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is crucial, especially during uncertain times. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month until you reach your target. This fund will provide a safety net in case of unexpected expenses or a temporary loss of income. Evaluate insurance coverage. Review your insurance policies, including auto, home, and health insurance, to ensure you have the right coverage at the best possible price. Shop around for competitive rates and consider bundling policies with one provider for potential discounts. However, make sure not to compromise essential coverage for short-term savings. Seek discounts and deals. Take advantage of discounts and deals whenever possible. Look for coupons, promotional offers, and loyalty programs when shopping for groceries, household items, or other necessities. Additionally, consider buying in bulk or sharing purchases with family or friends to benefit from volume discounts. Practice frugal meal planning. Reduce your food expenses by practicing frugal meal planning. Plan your meals, create a grocery list, and stick to it while shopping. Cook meals at home more often and limit eating out. Embrace affordable, nutritious ingredients and explore budget-friendly recipes. By making mindful choices, you can save money while still enjoying delicious meals. Embrace free or low-cost entertainment. During uncertain times, entertainment expenses can quickly add up. Look for free or low-cost activities in your community, such as local events, park outings, or visiting museums on discounted days. Take advantage of the vast array of online resources for entertainment, such as free educational courses, podcasts, or digital libraries. Save on energy costs. Reducing energy costs is a smart way to save money. Make your home more energy efficient by insulating windows, using energy-saving light bulbs, and adjusting thermostat settings. Unplug electronics when not in use, and consider investing in energy-efficient appliances. These small changes can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. Opt for alternative transportation. Transportation expenses can be a significant portion of your budget. Consider alternatives to driving alone, such as carpooling, using public transportation, biking, or walking if feasible. These options not only reduce transportation costs but also have the added benefit of being environmentally friendly. Research financial assistance programs. During uncertain times, various financial assistance programs may be available. Explore government assistance programs, local community resources, or non-profit organizations that provide support with housing, food, utilities, or education. Don't hesitate to reach out and inquire about available programs that can help ease your financial burden. By implementing these tips, you can save money and navigate an uncertain economy with confidence. Remember, it's important to be proactive, evaluate your expenses, and make adjustments where necessary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and guidance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your journey to financial stability.